Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings, and from here let's scroll down to system, tap on reset, and you should find reset a phone at the bottom. It will give you a message that performing this will remove your account, app data, system settings, installed apps, music, photos, and basically everything that you have placed on there yourself. So you might want to back it up if there's something that you would like to keep. If not, tap on reset phone once more, and the process will begin. That's gonna take probably a couple of minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.